Hey everybody, it's your boy Jaybeproactive. So what y'all seeing right now is an ad. What? Off of YouTube. So I didn't know your video could be an ad. So watch this.
I was kind of late to the update, like by, I don't know, 10
His
hours.
video is an ad for Google Sense. That's pretty awesome.
I was staying.
I'm gonna click it again so y'all can see. Y'all can be like, nah, this is a video. No, it's not. It's not.
I'm gonna try to get the roadster to the...
Corey, you better put you in the
Yeah, I'm watching Corey Kitchen, but the fact that I want to show y'all that. So that's crazy. Alright, so that video that we just seen was Blue official, and I found it on YouTube.
Hello YouTube, we're back again with another video, and today we are in jailbreak. There's a new update. Currently, let's see.
That video that we just saw, that was an ad. This is his channel.
Damn, son.
He has 58 reviews 2 days ago. No, he got 95 subscribers. So that's him in his video. That's crazy. But yeah, we found it. So your video on YouTube, your YouTube video can be an ad on Google Sense. So just wanted to let y'all know. I don't know how, but it can be. But that's another business niche I want to tell y'all, or to help y'all with y'all channel. Stay tuned for more. It's your boy JB Proactive. I'm out of here. Deuces.